Okay, so right now I am food prepping for the morning. One thing that I like to make, it's a combination of oatmeal, some mixed berries, bananas, cinnamon, some chia seeds, and almond milk. Did I say that already? I don't know. All right, this is what it looks like. You need a mason jar. Oatmeal. Pour the oatmeal in the mason jar. Try not to spill it all over the place like I'm doing right now. See that shit? Okay, so you want it, this is kind of a lot actually, but I like to fill it up right about here. What is that, like a quarter of the jar or something like that? So next thing I get some mixed berries. This bag will last you honestly like probably a good week. You just, you know, use it for smoothies. I like to use it for this especially. So fucking bomb when you put bananas in this as well. So I got a little bit of mixed berries in there. Okay, so here you go. Oatmeal, mixed berries. Now we're gonna put the banana in here. Get ready for this week to start. All right, so I got the banana going in here right now. What you basically do is just let this cook overnight. Like the oatmeal gets cooked in the milk, the almond milk that you put in there. And it's really fucking scrumptious. You can't really mess this up. I mean, you probably can, but I think the key is just not putting too much almond milk in it. So like, check it out. I just put some cinnamon on top of the bananas right there. Got some chia seeds going in here. Chia seeds on top. Bam. Almond milk. Alright, let's do this. Alright. So basically you want to pour this all the way till you hit the top of the oatmeal. Till you hit the very, very top. So you gotta pour slow. So look at that, you can see it going down the oatmeal. You can see some, kind of like some patches right there where it hasn't hit yet. So you wanna splash that right on in there. Shake this. Shake it, shake it. All right, let's see what that looks like. So you see, you want it right at the top. Right at the top there. A little more in. And then basically, when you have it right at the top, you put your lid on. Just seal it up. You place it. I feel this a little more than I would like it, but it's all good. It's all good. Then we're gonna place this in the refrigerator. Find some room for it right down here. Boom. And then from there, you let it sit all night. You could have it in the morning for breakfast. So that takes care of that. And then you enjoy that. Let me know if you like it, try it out. It's fucking baller. Done.